back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, my name is Moksha Rathur and I talk all about skincare. Today's video is going to be about skincare routine for sensitive skin types, and you are in for a treat because I personally have very sensitive skin and I know what works for sensitive skin and what does not work. So if you want to know, then keep on watching. First of all, you need to know whether you have sensitive skin type or you have damaged skin barrier. Now, these are two different things. First, coming on to the sensitive skin types. How to know if you have sensitive skin? If your skin reacts very easily to new skincare products, then you might have sensitive skin. Another thing is, if your skin gets really red and itchy after long sun exposure or harsh winds, then you might have sensitive skin. Coming on to the second thing, which is how to know if you have damaged skin barrier. Damaged skin barrier can be recognized by redness, burning or itching on your skin. This usually happens after using harsh exfoliators on your skin or using things which you do not know about. Also using active ingredients which you do not have proper information about. Now both these conditions are very sensitive and you need to take care of it by using the right products and using the minimum amount of products you can. Now coming on to a simple and very effective skincare routine for both these type of skin types. Now in this skincare routine, step 1 is cleanser. Since you have sensitive skin types, use cleansers which are very mild and hydrating to your skin and does not dry out or irritate your skin. Also after you wash your face, if your skin feels squeaky clean or very stripped out, or if you feel like your face feels very stretchy, then that cleanser might not be good for you. So try to use a cleanser which does not strip off your skin or feel very dry or foam up a lot. Try to use something which is very mild like the Episoft cleansing lotion. Now this cleanser is very mild and is great for people having dry to sensitive skin type. Also this cleanser has very moisturizing ingredients, so it won't dry out your skin at all. It is also fragrance free, so it won't irritate your sensitive skin, and this is one of the best cleansers for you. If you want a different option, you can go for moist cleansing lotion. Again, this is great for people who have very sensitive skin type. This has very moisturizing ingredients and mild surfactants, so it won't dry out your skin. This is how it looks. This is the bigger one. You can also get it in a smaller packaging. You can get both these cleansers from any of the medical stores. Coming on to step 2, which is toners or serums. Now I personally am not a fan of using toners, but if you like to use, you can go ahead. Just make sure you do not buy rose water toners, especially those cheap ones, because they usually have only the fragrance of rose water and not the actual rose water. So it is not going to be of any benefit to your skin. Instead, use hydrating toners which will help you in the long term, like this Klairs Supple Facial Toner. This is very good for people who have sensitive to dry skin types. It is marketed as a toner, but it actually has a consistency of lightweight serum. Since it's lightweight, it absorbs into your skin very easily and will help to heal those dry and sensitive patches on your skin. So this is a great product for sensitive skin types, and if you use this consistently for like 1 or 2 months, you will see visible results. So definitely give this a try if you want to heal that moisture barrier of your skin. Coming on to the serums, this is the Barrier Reinforced Serum from Dermatecture. I have sensitive skin types and I react to almost everything, but this is something I have not reacted to. This is one of my favorite serums, so you should definitely give this a try. It has hyaluronic acid, so it helps in plumping and hydrating the skin, and it also has niacinamide, which helps in brightening the skin. So in all, you should definitely give this a try if you have very sensitive skin, and if you're a beginner and you don't know which serum to start with, this is the one you should go for. Coming on to the step 3, which is moisturizer. Now moisturizer is very important if you want to heal and protect your skin. Make sure you use moisturizers which do not have a lot of fragrance in them, because fragrance can actually irritate your skin a lot. Now the moisturizer I want to recommend you is Bioderma Atoderm Creme. This is very good for sensitive skin types. It is fragrance free, so obviously it won't irritate your sensitive skin. Also it has many good ingredients which will help to soften your skin and will also help to heal the moisture barrier of your skin. So this is a very good moisturizer and you should definitely give this a try. Coming on to the step 4 of the skincare routine, which is sunscreen. Now sunscreen is very important for your skin because you already have sensitive skin and sun will cause more damage to your skin. And to protect yourself from the harmful rays of the sun, it is very important to use a sunscreen every day. The sunscreen that I would like to recommend you is this Suncross Soft. This has SPF 50. It also has PA+++, so this has great protection from the sun. It also protects you from both UVA and UVB rays. This is very good for people who have sensitive skin types because this is a physical sunscreen, and also it is fragrance free, so you should definitely give this a try. As the name suggests, it is very soft on the skin and you won't even feel that you have sunscreen applied on your skin. So these were all the products that I had to mention about. Now coming on to morning and nighttime skincare routine. In the mornings, I would recommend you to keep your routine very simple. So step 1 is using a cleanser. cleanser, step 2 is using a moisturizer, and step 3 is using a sunscreen. In the nighttime routine, again you should keep your skincare routine very minimal. First step is using a cleanser, second step is using a serum or a toner, whatever you like, and third step is using a moisturizer. So this brings me to the end of this video. I hope you found a good skincare routine for your sensitive skin, and if you do, please make sure you hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel, and you can watch these two videos right here, and I will meet you again next time. Bye.